I love eyebrows.
Why?
I think they're so cool. You can choose whatever shape you want, as long as, your physician approves it.
Right.
But, I have, everybody says that they like my eyebrows. I am not a fan of them. I'm like, oh, I want more. So I'm actually wanting to add more to mine, or just tuck into the tails or whatever to lengthen those.
More people would do it, I think, if they knew that it was available.
Right.
I think there are other, like, temporary options that are being chosen over that, like the microblading and the tattooing and stuff. But I mean, when you get close to somebody, like,
and it's not really the results that they are going to want. It ends up fading.
Yes.
It doesn't look as natural as you're actually putting the hair in there, and you can shape them however you want. If they go thicker, then like you said, we can shape them down, we can thin them out.
Yeah, and I think a lot of the eyebrow patients that I have met with, like, they have had the microblading or the tattoo or whatever,
and then they go over
and then
it.
it's not enough.
No,
they're
it's
like,
not enough.
I need
they
the
want
hair.
the density. Yeah, they want the
So
density.
why
of the
not
hair.
just skip it and just get the hair?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you're gonna be investing into it. Like, let's do it right.
I agree, because it ends up changing like the shape of their face, what they look like, how they feel, and then that's just the next level of confidence is there.